Dear friends, erectile dysfunction is a sensitive topic that many people hesitate to discuss, yet it can significantly impact their quality of life and overall health. However, did you know that with the help of certain vitamins and natural nutrients, we can address this issue from the root? In today's video, Interesting Knowledge 368 will reveal the top 5 vitamins that can improve blood circulation, balance hormones, and restore your confidence. Watch until the end to ensure you don't miss any valuable tips. 1. L-arginine boosting nitric oxide production. NO. L-arginine, an essential amino acid, plays a crucial role in the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide promotes vasodilation, widening blood vessels, and increasing blood flow to organs, including the penis. This improved blood circulation can help address erectile dysfunction, as restricted blood flow is a primary cause of ED. Supporting cardiovascular health. Enhanced blood circulation not only helps with ED, but also lowers blood pressure and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The recommended dosage is 1,000 milligrams, 3 times daily. It can be taken in tablet or powder form, which can be dissolved in water. For optimal results, take it before meals or before exercising. If you prefer not to use supplements, you can get L-arginine from your diet. Pistachios are rich in L-arginine and healthy fats, which can improve blood circulation. Salmon contains both L-arginine and omega-3 fatty acids, which support nitric oxide production and heart health. Beef liver is a rich source of protein and essential amino acids, including L-arginine. Naturally boosting testosterone levels. L-arginine stimulates blood flow to the testicles, which in turn promotes testosterone production, enhancing libido and sexual performance. Lowering blood pressure. Increased nitric oxide helps reduce pressure in blood vessels, decreasing the risk of stroke and heart disease. Antioxidant and improved vascular health. It supports the repair of the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels, which can be damaged by an unhealthy lifestyle. Potential side effects. Some people may experience nausea, bloating, or diarrhea. It is not recommended for individuals with severe coronary artery disease or low blood pressure issues. Drug interactions. Avoid using this product with blood pressure medications or nitrates, as it may cause excessive blood pressure reduction. Consult your doctor. It is important to speak with your doctor if you have any underlying medical conditions or are currently taking other medications. 2. Zinc. Maintaining healthy testosterone levels is crucial for men's well-being. Zinc plays a vital role in supporting testosterone production and stability, which naturally declines with age. After 30, testosterone levels decrease by an average of 1% annually. Zinc deficiency can accelerate this process. Zinc also helps prevent the conversion of testosterone into estrogen by inhibiting the aromatase enzyme. Uncontrolled conversion can lead to hormonal imbalances, resulting in symptoms like decreased libido, muscle weakness, and erectile dysfunction. Additionally, zinc contributes to sperm production and improves male fertility. It also helps balance DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a potent form of testosterone linked to prostate issues and hair loss. For optimal absorption, consider using readily absorbable forms of zinc such as zinc glycinate or zinc picolinate when taking 25 milligrams per day. To avoid potential side effects like nausea, mineral imbalances, or copper absorption inhibition, it is recommended not to exceed 40 milligrams per day, which is considered the safe upper limit. Oysters are the richest source of zinc found in food. They not only support sexual health but also improve overall well-being. Pumpkin seeds, rich in zinc and magnesium, help balance hormones and lower blood pressure. Beef liver, abundant in zinc and vitamin A, strengthens reproductive and immune health. Red meat, beef, lamb, provides zinc and protein, maintaining muscle and sexual health. Nuts and legumes, such as cashews, almonds, and lentils, offer zinc but in smaller amounts compared to animal-based foods. Zinc plays a vital role in maintaining healthy hair, boosting immunity, and enhancing mood and energy levels. It helps reduce hair loss by regulating DHT hormone levels and promoting healthy hair follicles. Zinc also strengthens the immune system, aiding in fighting infections and accelerating wound healing. Additionally, zinc deficiency can lead to fatigue, lethargy, and mild depressive symptoms. Potential side effects. Taking excessive amounts of zinc may cause nausea, diarrhea, headaches, or reduced absorption of other minerals such as copper. Groups that should exercise caution. Individuals with liver or kidney conditions should consult with their doctor before taking zinc supplements. Drug interactions. Zinc can reduce the effectiveness of certain medications, such as antibiotics or anti-inflammatory drugs. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in protecting and restoring the vascular endothelium, the delicate lining of blood vessels. This lining can be damaged by unhealthy diets, smoking, alcohol consumption, and stress. Vitamin C helps repair and protect the endothelium, improving blood flow, a key factor in addressing erectile dysfunction, ED. Vitamin C also enhances the production of nitric oxide, NO, a vital molecule that promotes vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels. This increased NO production improves blood flow to the penis, contributing to healthy erections. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C safeguards blood vessel cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This protection helps prevent hardening and narrowing of blood vessels, conditions that can lead to ED. The recommended daily intake is 500 to 1,000 milligrams, which can be obtained from natural food sources or supplements. Some of the best natural sources include rosehip powder, acerola cherries, and camu camu. These fruits are rich in naturally occurring vitamin C and have better bioavailability than synthetic forms. It is important to note that synthetic vitamin C, derived from ascorbic acid, contains only about 5% of the nutritional value of natural vitamin C. Fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin C, a vital nutrient for our health. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and kiwis are readily available and packed with vitamin C. Bell peppers, especially red ones, boast even higher vitamin C content than oranges. Broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts are also good sources of vitamin C, along with fiber and antioxidants. For a natural boost of vitamin C, consider incorporating superfoods like acerola cherries, one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, and camu camu, a superfood with significantly higher vitamin C content than oranges. Boosting your immune system. Vitamin C enhances your body's ability to fight infections and speeds up wound healing. Supporting collagen production. Collagen is a crucial component of connective tissues, helping to maintain the elasticity and strength of blood vessels. Improving mood. Vitamin C promotes the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which can help reduce stress and improve mental well-being, indirectly contributing to overall health. Potential side effects. High doses, over 2,000 milligrams per day, may cause nausea, diarrhea, or kidney stones. Drug interactions. Vitamin C can increase the effectiveness of antibiotics and decrease the effectiveness of blood thinners. Groups that should use caution. People with oxalate kidney stones or kidney problems should limit high doses. 4. Maca. Maca is known as an adaptogen, a herb that helps your body naturally balance hormones. This can be particularly helpful in boosting testosterone levels and improving libido. The phytonutrients in maca roots support better blood circulation, which can help maintain erectile function. High cortisol levels, the stress hormone, can lower testosterone and contribute to erectile dysfunction. Maca can help reduce cortisol, thereby improving sexual health. Recommended dosage: 1 to 3 teaspoons of maca powder, approximately 5 to 15 grams daily. To enjoy maca, simply mix it into your smoothies, juices, or nut milk. For optimal results, consume it in the morning to boost your energy and overall well-being. For noticeable effects, use maca powder consistently for 4 to 6 weeks. Amino acids support energy regeneration and hormone production. Vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, boost immunity and vascular health. Iron improves blood circulation and prevents anemia. Zinc supports testosterone production. Plant sterols contribute to natural hormone production and enhance sexual health. Maca, often referred to as Peru's natural Viagra, is known for its ability to safely and naturally enhance libido. It can also boost energy levels without the jitters associated with caffeine. Studies have shown that maca may improve sperm count and quality, potentially increasing fertility. Originating from the high Andes Mountains of Peru and Bolivia, maca root has been used for thousands of years as a nutritional supplement. This herb is safe for most people when taken in appropriate doses. It is caffeine-free and contains no other stimulants, making it suitable for sensitive individuals. Rare side effects. Some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort or insomnia when taking high doses. This can be addressed by reducing the dosage or taking it in the morning. Important note for users: pregnant women or those with hormone imbalances should consult their doctor before using maca. Choose organic maca to avoid potential risks from pesticides or preservatives. Combining maca with a healthy lifestyle can enhance its benefits. Regular exercise, when combined with maca, can optimize erectile function and cardiovascular health. A balanced diet rich in zinc, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids can further enhance the effectiveness of maca. Stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or quality sleep can also be incorporated alongside maca to maximize its potential. 5. Pycnogenol. Pycnogenol can help improve blood circulation in several ways. It supports the function of the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels, which increases the production of nitric oxide, NO. NO is a crucial molecule that helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. This enhanced blood flow to the penis can contribute to improved erectile function. Pycnogenol is also a powerful antioxidant, protecting blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are a major contributor to the narrowing and hardening of blood vessels, which can lead to erectile dysfunction, ED. Additionally, pycnogenol can help reduce inflammation and prevent the formation of plaque in arteries, both of which can restrict blood flow and impact erectile function. These benefits make pycnogenol a potential aid in managing the effects of diabetes and high cholesterol on blood circulation and erectile health. Recommended dosage: 150 milligrams per day, which can be divided into 2 to 3 doses taken after meals. You may start to notice results after 1 to 2 weeks of regular use, with more noticeable effects after 4 to 6 weeks. Pycnogenol can help increase nitric oxide, NO, production, which is essential for blood vessel dilation and improved blood circulation. This enhanced blood flow can benefit erectile function. Pycnogenol also helps reduce the risk of blood clots by inhibiting excessive blood clotting, thereby decreasing the chance of blood vessel blockage. Additionally, pycnogenol can contribute to lower blood pressure by improving blood vessel health and blood flow, which are crucial factors in addressing erectile dysfunction. While rare, some individuals may experience side effects such as headache, nausea, or mild diarrhea. It's important to note that pycnogenol should not be used by individuals with bleeding disorders or those taking blood thinners, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. Pycnogenol can also enhance the effects of medications used to treat diabetes and high blood pressure. If you are taking any of these medications, please consult with your doctor before using pycnogenol. Combining pycnogenol with a healthy lifestyle can enhance its benefits. A diet rich in nitrates, found in foods like celery, spinach, and Swiss chard, can naturally boost nitric oxide production. Regular exercise, such as aerobic activities, walking, or high-intensity interval training, improves blood circulation. Managing stress through techniques like meditation or yoga can reduce cortisol levels, further maximizing the effects of pycnogenol. Thank you for watching until the very end. We hope the information in this video will be key to not only overcoming erectile dysfunction, but also improving your overall health. Remember, a combination of nutrition, exercise, and a relaxed mind is the best way to achieve long-term results. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Interesting Knowledge 368 channel for more insightful information. Wishing you all the best in health and confidence.